I'm going to show you a complete workflow for downloading, processing, and visualizing NASA GPM IMERG precipitation data using R. We will start by automatically downloading data from NASA Earth data. Then I will show you how to crop and mask the precipitation data for the region of interest. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a full reproducible R pipeline from raw NC4 files to process climate indicators and professional map. So let's get started with this link. I will provide you in the description. Open Firefox, paste it, and then close it. Filter this one, GPM IMERG. And be patient, sometimes it takes to open the website. Okay. Today I will show you 0.1 degree for 1 month. In the next videos I will also show you how we can process the data for 1.5 hours and 30 minutes. Just click the link and read this description carefully. These are the variables. I am looking for precipitation, that is mm per hour. Subset the dataset. And be carefully to select the right option. Click on this one. It's up to you on which range you are looking for. Today I will just start from 14 to 2025. Define the region, any region, but I will select for the state of Missouri. Yes, this area belongs to state of Missouri, and you can select any area. Yes, be careful to select only precipitation. Yeah, just click on get data. It will start to download the links in TextPad. Yes, just you can download this link and paste it in the folder. 1 second. Yes, after that you can download the shapefile from this link. Open a new tab, paste the link, select the country that you are looking for. So I will download United States shapefile. And be patient, it will also take some time to download this file. Sometimes it's work quickly, sometimes it takes time. Click it again. Still it does not start the downloading. 1 second. Refresh it. So you can paste the link again. Go to the country and United States, click on shapefile. still it does not start downloading, so be patient until the file is downloaded. Yeah, there is a problem in the connection timeout. So again you can paste your link and go to United States. I hope it will start to download our shapefile. Otherwise you can open a new Firefox again. Yeah, it has started downloading. That's a good news. Click. Okay, where this file goes to, just open the folder, cut it, and yes, make a new folder. And the next one is, yes, place both netcdf files and shapefile in the same directory. Launch the R and set the working directory. And the last step is follow the steps shown in the tutorial how to process the data and generate visualization. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Just extract here. Yes, this is the file that we have downloaded from this one. Okay, and don't be confused. Just copy it, open the new R. I will also provide you this script in the description link. Go to session, set working directory, choose directory. I already choose it. Okay, and then open it, whatever the folder. After that, just replace before the end of dot your file. Which file? That is the file. Okay, if you for example did not copy paste correctly, then file will not be downloaded. Just load the required libraries like this one. I will also teach you how we can register on Earth Data NASA for login and password. I have hide my login and password. Just go to, but you need to select all the file. From here URL drag until to pbt and run it. That will show you the progress bar to download an NC4 files, but you should also check it whether file is downloading or not. Sometimes it takes time to start the NC4 files, and sometimes if you upload the incorrect file in the R over here, for example this one, and you forgot to underscore put it, then file will not be downloaded. As I said earlier, just replace with your file name until before the dot. Okay, and what are the other things Yes, you just copy, drag it until over here, then it will start your downloading. If you find any error, then the error will be in your URL file names. Okay. The other thing is that yes, there is a link over here. Just copy. I can teach you in the meanwhile while the file has finished the downloading. Just copy and paste this link. Yes, you need Earth data login. There is a register. Put first name, last name, email address, your email address, and country and affiliation. You can select education, non-profit, it's up to you. And the study area, you can select any area, it doesn't matter. I have selected, I think, this one, atmospheric composition. User type, you can select production user, science team, data provider, internal user. I have selected science team. Then continue, it will automatically register your username and password. And then over here in login, it will be your username and then the password. You can paste, replace these stars to paste your password, and the username just replace with the stars. So you notice that over 76 files has been downloading out of 140 files, and it also depends on your internet speed. The file is not too much larger. I can show you. It just only 33 KB every file. Maybe someone is 35, 36, but it is not in an MB file. And it also depends on your study area. Where is it? Yes, it also depends on your study area. For example, refine parameters. Okay, just region, define the region. For example, if you are looking for African countries, obviously it will take some time to download the files. And if you are looking only for states, that did not take too much time. Okay, let's check it. How many files? 105 files has been downloaded out of 140. It means that 76% file has been downloaded. And also install the libraries fs, glue, here, httr, perl, stringer, progress. If you did not install the libraries, it will give you an error. How we can install the packages? Install packages, just write name over here. It will help you to start download the libraries. Just install it. Okay. And the next thing is that also update your R with 4.5.1. Once you download the latest version, it will show you the latest version over here. My old version is 4.222 and my latest version is 4.5.1. Just select the latest version over here and click OK. 96% file has been downloaded. Yes, only 4 files. And after that, you also need to load these required libraries. Okay, I can show you in IMERG. Yes, these are the NC4 files. This one is our shapefile, and the next is, yes, load the required libraries like Terra, SF, data.table, scale, GG Spatial. Yes, this is my shapefile. I can show you again. Yes, I have selected this one, and you can replace it with your shapefile over here and just transform it into 4326. Yeah, this NC4 files is different from the previous NC4 file. Don't mess it with the previous tutorials. I can show you. It needs, yes, I'm going to select Missouri because I have downloaded the data for only Missouri, and shape USA like this one. If you don't want to like this one, you just like here, paste it over here, and transform it into 4326, and then again you can convert it into the vector. Yeah, this is the important step that will help you to automate the extent for Missouri boundary. If you are working on your region of interest, that will help you to automatic extend from your shapefile boundary. And then load all the NC4 files and check it whether it has been loaded or not. Yeah, it has been loaded. All the file has been loaded. That's great. And in the next step, fix the incorrect original extent. You don't need to replace anything over this file if you did not change these names. Okay, just select it and drag it until here. So I will show you where you need to replace. You don't need to replace anything. Yeah, date has been selected, crop and mask, ultimately in data frame, and then over here. You don't need to change anything in this from 105 to 131. Just run it. And then loop through all files with the progress bar. And here, is there anything? No, there is no need to replace anything from 136 to 145. Just run it. It will show you how many files of NC4 has been cropped and masked. You notice that it has been cropped and masked very quickly. Then, is there anything you need to replace? No. Yes, df all. I can show you the df all output, that is x longitude, y latitude, pre like precipitation, and then date. And one more thing, I will show you this data output information. Just write raster and put it into the inverted commas and enter it. Yes, you can find the detail of your raster that you have downloaded. Every raster has one single layer. Because we have downloaded monthly data. So every NC4 files has 1 month data with end row and end column. The resolution is 0.1 to 0.1. and the var name is precipitation. I have changed precipitation to PR, and the unit is millimeter per hour, and the time is 2025-601. We need to convert millimeter per hour to per day. Here, you don't need to replace anything. It will automatically convert your millimeter per hour to millimeter per day. And you can find it again, df all, yes, precipitation millimeter per day. Okay, yes, other is you just extract, one second, date, extract year, month and day. You don't need to replace anything over here. It will automatically extract your year, month and day, and you will find it over here, yes, year, month or day until 2025, yes. And df all, set the df all in data table, that I will show you how we can make a map for monthly map and yearly map. Just drag it, yes, here, x, y, year, month for mean, precipitation, millimeter per day. And how we can select this one and this one, I can show you df monthly, because we have taken the months. Yes, df monthly, here put df monthly $sign with this value, pre month. Okay, and same like for minimum and maximum, same like for breaks. You don't need to change anything, just click it. For the colors, you can also replace it with your color that you are looking for. Just run it and make sure that you can make a break with pretty, not classical, not unequal. And then you can plot the monthly map for x, y into pre month. Anything you need to change? Yes, one more thing. Here, you don't need to replace SF with equal. Otherwise, it will create a problem and give you an error message that your geom SF is not defined. I can show you, one second. Sometimes you are asked question to me, like for example this one. Yes, it will give you an error like problem while converting geom to GRO, like this one. So please watch this video carefully, where I told you you need to replace the thing, you can replace, otherwise don't replace it. Yes, here you need to replace anything? No, you don't need to replace anything. Yeah, here scale x continuous and y continuous. You can also remove it, or you can also add it. It up to you. And the other thing, you can change the title. Yes, I have downloaded from 14 to 2025. Source data is GPM IMERG. Yes, you don't need to change anything. Just select it, drag it, and yes, run it. And just click on P. That will show you the monthly map from 2014 to 2025. Just go to plot and that will show you. You can check it while click on zoom. Yes, and this is the new data source that I am showing you to precipitation data from GPM IMERG. Okay, everything is perfectly looking fine. Yes, now in the next step you can save your map over here and also adjust the width and height according to your region of interest. So go to IMERG. Yes, this is our monthly precipitation, and you have seen that everything is looking perfectly fine. And then yes, set data.table all. Which one is this one? df all. Okay, so I can teach you how we can visualize the yearly data. Get yearly mean per pixel, x, y and year, and just run it, and that will produce yearly map. See, everything is looking perfectly fine. And you can also take these themes, for example, just copy it from plus until here. Yes, then again select it and drag it. Yearly mean precipitation, yes, you can find it. And 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and you can also select with minimum and maximum breaks and colors. It's up to you. So this is our data set, df all, convert into date, create year month. And now I am showing you to how we can, how we can calculate the SPI1 3612 from the precipitation data. You don't need to change anything, just select it and drag it. Could not find function SPI, so load the required libraries, SPI, okay, and then again select it and drag it until over here. That will help you to calculate SPI1, SPI3, SPI6, SPI12 until you can also add SPI24, SPI48. Just add it over, and again you can also add it over with SPI24. That will show you SPI24. Add another column, like for example you can just copy and paste it. Yes, with SPI24, SPI24, and you also need to add SPI24. Okay, and after that, once it will be finished, I will show you the final output. So keep in mind that it also depends upon the area. If the area is very large, it will take some time to calculate SPI1, 3, 6 and 12. So it's better to select only one SPI for your region of interest. For example, if you are looking for only SPI 12, you can remove 1, 3 and 6 and also remove it from 1, 3 and 6. That will help you to calculate SPI faster. So you need to wait it, then I will show you the final output. It will take, I think, 4-5 minutes to complete, to calculate the SPI 1, 3, 6 and 12. In the meantime, I will show you another thing. In the next video, I will show you how we can process with different time resolution, with 1.4, with 1.5 hours, how we can crop and mask with region of interest for 1.5 hours. There is also data over here. I think I also find it 30 minutes. So in the next video I will show you for the 30 minutes how we can process the 30 minutes data for GPM. And let's see if it is completed. No, still it is running. Once it is completed, then we will run it the final output, and then we can also write it into the CSV file. It depends upon the number of rows that you will find it. 1 second, I will let you know can we save it into the CSV or not. Our data is df all. Df all is, yes, we can save it into the CSV because number of rows are very less. Because if you find the number of rows are very high, like in millions or billions, then don't save it into the CSV. You need to save it into the FST. Just replace with FST with CSV. Wait for a minute, couple of minutes. And also read this one file, read GPM. Yes, and how we can cite this data. 1 second, because we are working on, go to back, oh no, not this one. 1 second, we are working on this data. Yes, don't forget to cite the data. Yes, there is a references and data citation. Yeah, just cite this data. If you are using GPM IMERG final precipitation data, yes, this citation. Just check it again. Yes, as I told you earlier, it will take some time to finish the calculation. Yeah, SPI all with DT month, SPI all, this one. Yeah, you find it SPI 1, 3, 6, 12. Okay, and how we can save it? Just F right. Yes, go to the folder and find out your Excel file. Wait for a second. Yes, it will show you the final output. Don't convert. Yes, you can find X, Y, year, month, SPI 1, 3, 6, 12. Okay. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.